Welcome back with us today. We are down at the Jardin Publique in Bujumbura. You pay 500 francs a person and you get access to this garden. We're just walking on the path here. And there is an area in the middle with swings and stuff. Right, that last little part was sort of in the north or south section of the park. Now we're coming up the east side. Sort of goes downhill a little bit towards the north, but yeah, it's got sort of an area there a little bit. Pretty well the walking paths on the outside of the park, like the outside extremes, and I just clocked it. It's something like 0.8 or 0.85 kilometers to do the whole circle here around the edge of the park. Here we are down at the north side, which is actually a little bit lower in elevation, I guess, so it's down a bit, but it's north. You can see there is a street right there, but there's barbed wire kind of keeping people from coming in, and here it's mostly trees. There is benches and stuff over there you can sit down at. The clearing's kind of up in the south end of the park, where if you want to play, you know, soccer or whatever, or football, I guess. Here we are down at the corner. See, that's the outside street there. You can see the field over there. You can do all kinds of sports and whatnot. We're just walking back up the hill towards the south side again, so I guess we're on the west side now. So yeah, if you're in Bujumbura and you need a place to walk and you kind of want some privacy, like there is people here, but no one's really staring or whatever. Everyone's sort of got their own thing going on, so it's a bit nicer than walking on the street where you're kind of, the whole show's about you. At least here you can come and walk and exercise and it's not a big deal. I'm just standing by the bathrooms, are behind me here. Obviously not going to video the bathrooms, but just gives you an idea of a nice place there. Lots of benches and stuff.